Sorry, neighbours. Hey guys, it's Luke here and welcome back to another video. Bit of an early start this morning, but an exciting one because we're heading up to Pinnacle to get an update on the Golf R. Now, it's been up with them for about a month or so now. It's a lot of work which has been done to the car, and we will kind of remind ourselves exactly what is going on. But of course, I haven't seen the car since I dropped it off, which was when it was completely stock inside. So it's going to look completely different. Now, the aim of today is obviously to go up there, have a look at the car, and to actually document some of the process of the fabrication of the cage. Now, it's a full T45 weld-in roll cage which we're doing, and it's actually nearly complete, because if you guys follow me on Instagram or if you follow Pinnacle on Instagram, you'll know that he's been updating all of us with basically how it's going, and it's looking absolutely incredible. Like I mentioned just now, when I dropped the car off, it was obviously all still stock. I didn't witness any of the strip down process, so when I see the car today, it's going to be completely different. Like, no windows, no interior, there's a roll cage there now. It's going to be, yeah, pretty mad to say the least. Really looking forward to it, actually. We'll get on with this journey and we'll catch up with you when we arrive at Pinnacle. Okay, 2 hours later, one traffic jam on the M25 and a couple of tunnel runs, which I forgot to film because they sounded amazing. Definitely need to do a tunnel run video with this car, but we are pretty much here at Pinnacle. I am so excited to see this car. Let's go in, say hello, and see this car. Here we are, Pinnacle HQ. And just inside here is my car. I am so excited. Here it is. Oh, look at this thing.
Hello.
How you doing?
Good, mate, you?
Yeah, mate, this is looking insane. I have never seen a car in this kind of condition before. Is it too late to turn back? Wow, this is looking insane. It's almost looking, well, it's looking similar to what the M4 is like. Obviously, when I came in, dropped this off to see that thing. Wow, that is incredible.
Yeah, so we started stripping the interior out, got rid of all the brackets that we didn't need. To be fair, there wasn't that many that come out of this compared to other cars that I've done.
Okay.
But there's still a bit of weight to be lost there.
Yeah.
And it's neatened it up. Got cracking with exposing these rear turrets, so I could find out where the shock was mounted and how it was mounted underneath the car to get my mounts on top of them.
Okay.
So yeah, just cut them open. I had to hole saw through the solid part to get something solid to fix to. So then this actually sits on top of where the shock mounts to.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And then that was MIG welded in. Once that's painted, that will look like it was always there from factory.
Absolutely. I mean, yeah, the reason why I'm going for like an interior paint is because obviously all of this in here is never designed to be seen and to look nice. So that all painted satin or matte grey would look awesome.
Yeah, definitely.
Really cool.
And then we got the rear horizontal in, and then I set about making the main hoop. Sorry.
Yeah.
Put that in. Did the rear lateral bars, the rear cross.
Oh, so this bit here.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's the rear cross. Put that in.
That, yeah.
Then the main hoop cross. Obviously, I had to put the foot plates in before.
Yeah.
And then from them, we did the A-pillar bars.
Oh, yeah, got all that.
Front foot plates. Got them gussets in.
Yeah. That looks cool from the front.
Yeah.
When you see
Makes
the car
it look
from
really
the front,
aggressive.
Yeah, it does, because you can just see this through well, the windscreen would be here, obviously.
Yeah.
But you can just see all that through there.
And then today we'll be putting door bars in, so the door crosses, the supports from the A-pillar to the main hoop, and then we'll see how we get on. Could be the roof cross goes in today, just depends how we get on for time.
Yeah, absolutely. It's just going to be cool to see some of this progress, because obviously I know you've been updating me a lot. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, quite a lot of people don't see what goes into a cage like this. They just see pictures of it before and after. They don't realise the work that does go into it.
Absolutely. It's like a jigsaw puzzle.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
It's really cool. So yeah, brilliant. So door bars the first plan?
Yeah.
Plan of action, yeah?
Yeah, let's go, yeah.
Brilliant, let's crack on with that and see how it's done. So making some nice progress on the door bars. Just seen couple of spot welds on this side, on the passenger side, just to hold it in place. But it's honestly so cool to see this all kind of unfolding. Just seeing my car just transforming from what is internally a stock car to a full race spec, track spec car. It is absolutely incredible. Like I mentioned, most of the cage work is done, most of the rear section's complete. Obviously the roof cross still needs to be done. We've still got some gussets and things to go on to finish the door bars, but you can't get an idea of what it's all going to look like for now, because obviously the complete dash is all out. Obviously I've got my Coolwork short shifter kind of protected in there. What do you guys think of what it's looking like so far? I am absolutely obsessed. Just makes me want to take it around the track already, not gonna lie. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Okay, more progress on the door bars down here on the driver's side. So we've got the cross members going in now. As you can see, I think Jamie's just measuring all that up, ready to weld it in place. But obviously with this build, it's not just a roll cage install. There are some nice little extras which we're doing. Obviously seats, which we'll get to at a later stage, kind of once the interior build is done. We're obviously also going for the sliding perspex windows. So literally the only glass window in the car will be the windscreen. For those of you who watched episode 1 of this little like mini series when I dropped the car off here to Pinnacle, you'll know that yes, we're doing polycarbonate windows on the sides, the rear quarter windows and the rear boot lid window as well. The two fronts will actually have little sliders on, kind of like proper race car style, which is pretty cool. But we also have some other little goodies. These are some Carbon Tech footrests. Unfortunately, the passenger side one is yet to arrive. This is the driver's side one, because obviously when you take all the sound deadening and all the carpets out, it's actually quite far down within the chassis. So the pedals seem quite high. So that's basically just to, well, it's like a footrest basically with a nice little grippy section here. And then here we have basically part of what will be the door cards. Now, I didn't want just a complete single piece of carbon on the door cards. So the carbon is going to basically make up most of the door card, probably up to about here. And then this top bit, which has the little blue line from factory on the factory door card, we're going to retain that. So we're going to take that section off the original door card with the door handle, put that back on, and then the lower bit, basically not including all the speakers, everything that's all coming out, will be these carbon sheets, which is going to look really cool. Obviously we've still got all the other little bits which we've already done inside, so the new LED Alcantara wheel from Auto ID, and we also got the Coolerworks shifter from Regal Autosport in there as well, both of which are already have been fitted to the car. In fact, I will come over to this M4 because this is basically what it's going to look like. It's a similar kind of design, so we're going to have some gussets here basically just to strengthen things, but basically what we've got in place at the moment is this bar, and this bar here is what Jamie's just working on now, just measuring up, making sure everything is all correct. It's basically going to look like this. And then on my car we still need to do the cross on the roof, the cross section, and then this kind of support beam here, as well as the harness bars, which kind of we've just measured up actually so that they go in at the right place. But this is looking absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. Shame that I do need to pop out very shortly, so we're not going to be able to see much more of the process, but even still to see some of the the door bars being fabricated and put in place is pretty damn cool. Anyway folks, unfortunately that is all we've got time for today. Pretty cool to see something like this actually be done, because I've never seen anything like it. Obviously seen track cars before and filmed track cars before, but you just have no idea with how much work goes into making them until you really see it unfolding and happening, especially to your own car. It is pretty special. So yeah, if you guys want to see more updates on the Golf R build, then let me know down in the comments, because obviously there's still a load more to do. We're probably maybe halfway there with it. There's still a lot to do, but yeah, I'm absolutely blown away. Absolutely blown away. You can of course find all of Pinnacle's links down in the description down below. Like I said, let me know down in the comments as well what you want to see. If you want to see more updates on this, or you just want to see it done, let me know. But for now at least, that is it. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, please do make sure you leave a like and make sure to subscribe for all the adventures still to come.